Hbar holders, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. I appreciate you guys as always, but yeah, let's waste no more time and take a look at Hbar's price together, understanding what's happening, and of course, what we could be expecting going into Tuesday morning. So, as far as the market is concerned, Monday was not bad. As far as the market is concerned, we have seen once again a lot of volatility within the markets, but overall, it was not a bad day. But as of now, we're seeing a little bit of red for some coins, of course, as we can see across the board. Over the last 1 hour, you are starting to see, market once again, getting into the green. But again, we need to look for confirmation. As you guys know, that's something that, I look for whenever I'm analyzing, crypto prices. But, so far so good. HBAR up 1.2% over the last 1 hour. But if you're looking at it on the daily time frame, it is down 3%. Looking at the price, 18.8 cents, down 3% in USD, down 2.4% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap at almost $8 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $227.7 million. One thing that I want you guys to not forget is that the 24-hour trading volume, for HBAR has been decreasing quite substantially over the last few days. And that's something that's worthwhile noting and something that we should not be ignoring. And of course, kind of explains why, we are seeing HBAR, pulling down while, the broader market not necessarily seeing, quite bearish moves, but a retracement obviously does impact the likes of HBAR. It's not an exception, but, it is being impacted more compared to some of the coins. But let's take a closer look and see what's happening. Before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So first and foremost, we're going to take a look at, Bitcoin dominance index, really understanding, what's happening with the dominance index right now. So I want you guys to, focus on the dominance index on the hourly time frame. You can see this for yourself. The dominance index has been, going either to the likes of 62%, making its way down to 61.5, picking up to 61.8%. A lot of, volatility occurring, and, of course, that has been impacting the altcoin market. BTC specifically still in the 38.2. Very, very important to note, still hanging in the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. Let me show you guys on the hourly time frame. You can see this for yourself. This right here, I think, is literally like the fourth or fifth time we have seen the price being supported around this range, where you can see, we're back in the 38.2 going into Tuesday morning, currently approaching 83.2k mark. So of course, nice to see the fact that, we're still in the 38.2. This is something that we shouldn't really be ignoring. And again, kind of makes sense because, just a few hours ago we were sitting at 82.2, and of course since then has seen a little bit of a bounce, which of course is having a positive impact on the broader market over the last 1 hour. But we'll see what happens. Obviously, if you're looking at HBAR right now, you're looking at HBAR pretty much hanging around, this neckline of this 18.8 cents to 18.6 cents mark. Obviously, a lot of support. We've seen several different retests, around this range. But, every single time, we have been supported, but we haven't really seen the price of HBAR retesting, the 17.5 cents mark pretty much since February 28th. So we're almost coming up to a month. Could we really see the price of HBAR filling that wick? And again, that itself is only a move of about 7%. And, with the volatility that we're actually seeing for the market, it's really impressive. And I've stated this to you guys before, how good HBAR is still holding around this neckline. And this should really tell you how important the support really is. And of course, you could really see this for yourself clearly, dating it back to the previous cycle. And of course, that is coming in as a major level of support. And of course, if we lose this support, I've said this to you guys before, and I'll say it again, the chances of us going down to 15.5 cents, some of the levels we haven't seen since late November, could still be on the table, especially when Bitcoin is nowhere near as to where it needs to be. But of course, it's ranging in the 38.2 fib zone, which of course is something that we shouldn't really be ignoring. But in a grand scheme of things, BTC needs to be much higher compared to where it is right now. But let me know down below what you guys think right now. What are you guys doing right now as we speak? What are your personal predictions on HBAR? Do you think HBAR does retest this 15.5 cents, or do you think the market is going to see a bounce of course, FOMC meeting coming up this week. A lot of people are anticipating that, meeting itself, but usually, obviously, if we don't see a rate cut, market does react in a negative way, as we have seen, in the previous meetings. Is that going to have an impact on HBAR? Are we finally going to see a rate cut where, the prices of, Bitcoin just, go up to the 23.6 due to that? Because we haven't really heard about a rate cut for the longest time. So, that would be quite interesting. But again, one step at a time. Let me know down below what you guys think. For as of now, the price of HBAR has been ranging around this level, but we'll take it one step at a time. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.